Check out this Ford 2011 Explorer Limited. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle comes with a reliable 6-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are voice-activated navigation system, luxury seating package, order code 302A, trailer tow package, class 3, 12 speakers, AM/FM radio, Sirius, CD player, MP3 decoder and premium audio system, Sony. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.